In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a page on Facebook. After creating a Facebook page, you want to deactivate it, but I don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down until you locate pages and tap on it. Then continue to select the page that you want to deactivate. In this case, I'm going to tap on this. Then I'll continue to select that page. Allow it a moment to finish switching. Then this will drop you onto that page timeline. On this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see the three ellipses and tap on it. Then you have to scroll down until you locate settings and privacy. Then continue to tap on settings. So you land onto an interface like this. Navigate to the top and tap on the set settings. Then make sure you type delete. Then continue to select the best appropriate match. Allow it a moment to finish loading. And there you are. You have the option to deactivate the page, or you can delete the page. In this case, since we want to deactivate it, we have to make sure this is toggled on. And a caveat to call out: when you deactivate your page will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. And once you are certain with everything, you can proceed to tap on continue. Then on this, you have to re-enter your password, and this is for security measures. And once you are done and you tap on continue, you have successfully deactivated your Facebook page. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.